In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to Google Drive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to organize your documents, photos, or any other files, keeping them in Google Drive ensures they're accessible from anywhere, on any device, plus sharing them with others becomes a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive's homepage. You can easily navigate there by typing in drive.google.com in your browser's address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar interface where all your existing files and folders are neatly displayed. Now what you're going to do next is click on the New button. You'll find this on the upper left side of your screen. The New button is your gateway to all sorts of file management options. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing several options like creating a new folder, document, or even a Google form. For our purposes, however, you'll want to focus on the File Upload option. It's straightforward but powerful enough to get the job done quickly. Clicking on File Upload will open up a file browser window on your computer. This is where you get to choose the specific file you'd like to save to your Google Drive. Simply navigate through your computer's folders until you find the file you want. It could be anything from a Word document, a PDF, an image file, you name it. Once you've located your file, click on it to highlight it, then hit the Open button. At this point, you'll see a progress bar pop up in the lower right hand corner of your Google Drive screen. This is your visual feedback showing the upload process. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this part might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the upload is complete, your file will appear in the main section of your Google Drive. It's now safely stored, synced, and ready for you to access whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a file to your Google Drive. From here, you can organize it into folders, rename it for easier management, or share it with friends, colleagues, or family members. Google Drive offers a simple and secure way to keep all your files in one place, ensuring you can access them anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Have a great day.